you are looking for a free scheduling tool that does more than just booking, sometimes allows you to class schedule, team management, and service customization. This tutorial is for you. Today, I am walking you step by step on how to use Picktime to automate your appointments, especially if you're running a service training or small businesses. Now, let's dive in. Time is a free scheduling tool that allows clients to book appointments with you without back and forth messaging. It's especially useful for service providers, freelancers, consultants, and small business owners. So we are going straight to sign up for Picktime. So when you go to your Google and you type Picktime, you click on this. So we are going to sign up. So you can either register directly or you sign up with your Google account. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to sign up with my Google account, but you can also fill your basic information here. So I'm going to sign up with Google. All right. Once you're registered, Picktime will take you to its dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage staff bookings and availability. So we are going to learn how to use our online booking right here. Before you start your online booking, you will need to set your business profile. So when you go to general, this is where you're going to put your business details. The first thing is to do is to set your business profile. Add your business name here. You add your logo by the side. You can update logo with the image from your, you add your logo by this side, and you can update your time zone and also your contact details. And having done that, you make sure that your time zone is correct. This prevents scheduling errors with clients in different locations. So we are going to make a service, and this service is going to be, let me say, discovery call. Discovery call and Port Harcourt. Okay, I'm a team member. If you want this to be a free call, you leave the money, but if you want it paid, let's say you can fix in the price, but let it be a free call, free discovery call for 30 minutes. And yes, I have a discovery call for 30 minutes here. So you can create multiple services depending on what you offer: consultation, coaching, training section, interview, and a lot. You can create a lot of services for your peak time. Time is that it works well for service-based businesses. If you're managing multiple services or business team members, this gives you more flexibility than most basic schedulers. Now, let's continue. We are going to set our availability. Now, this is you setting your working hours. This tell peak time when clients are allowed to book you. So I am available Monday and not all day. I think to I want to adjust this to 4 p.m. But if you're going to be available the whole of Tuesday, you can just make this all day. So if you're going to be working on Saturday, Sunday, so you can just suit this and save. Also, you can also add buffer times between your meeting to avoid back-to-back calls. Professional scheduling protects your energy. Want to add a team member to your team, you just click on add new from this team view here and add the ID of your team member, then click, you have added staff. So let's say I want to add, okay, so I want to add this person. So what's my team member name? His name is Babatunde. Alright, that's his email. You add the person's phone number. Okay. Location is Port Harcourt. I don't know if this number is complete. I'm not using real number. So I have a team member. This person is not going to have full access level just like me. So the person is going to have limited access, but I can assign task or role to this person. A clean booking page builds trust instantly. So we are going to check this our booking. This is our booking link. So if I copy it, I want to check how my clients are going to see my booking link. And this is it. The booking link is carrying your logo. This is so these are the samples of what you have. You have fashion, you have discovery call. So if someone wants to call you here, just click and choose a team member. So I haven't assigned this to my teammates here, so it's just to these are the availabilities. If the person is choosing Thursday, these are the time that is available on Thursday. So the person is going to add the information and book the meeting. So this is so professional and this is so clean and professional. Share your link on different platforms. You can share it on your LinkedIn profile, your WhatsApp, your website, and you can also make it your email signature. When clients book you easily, they are more likely to take action. If you want something more advanced with integration, Calendly might be better. If you want something more advanced with integration, Calendly might be better, but if you want free features and team scheduling, Picktime is a strong option. And that's it. Your Picktime system is ready. If you're serious about building systems in your businesses, start thinking like an operator and not just a freelancer. Tools like this help you scale without stress. If you find this valuable, subscribe and share. If you find this valuable, subscribe. I share practical tools for remote professionals, VAs, and project managers. Drop a comment and tell me which one should I compare next.